This sliding screen door has seen better days. The bottom rail is rusted, and the rollers are shot. I'll replace it with this door that I purchased from an orange home improvement center. This door has removable rollers. While at a blue home improvement center, their door has rollers with pressed-in axles. Replacing the rollers would require replacing the entire rail. Getting back to the project. The old door was installed backwards. The latch operator is on the outside. It should have been installed inside the room. Also, the hex head screws hit the frame of the sliding glass door. I start by removing the screws from the adjustable top and bottom rails. This was a replacement door that is similar to the one I just purchased. I can now lift the door, and using a stiff putty knife or this painter's tool, lift the rollers off the bottom track. Then remove the door and sweep the track. Looking at the new door, this is the outside of the latch. So this will be the top of the door. Loosen the screws and lower the top rail. Install the door by inserting the top rail first. If the door is still too tall, loosen the bottom screws and lift the bottom rail. Lift each side of the door and place the rollers onto the track. If needed, use the stiff putty knife. Next, position the top rollers into the top track. With the top screw still loose, lift the top rail, tighten the screw, and repeat on the other end. The door slid well. But hung up when fully opened. After adjusting that top rail for about 30 minutes, I figured out that the bottom track was level, but the top track was bowed. The middle was 1/4 of an inch lower than on each side. In the full open position, the top left corner of the door was about 1/16 of an inch lower than the middle of the track. In the closed position, the same corner was about 5/16 of an inch lower than the track. My brilliant fix: remove the top rollers and keep them to replace the bottom rollers in the future. I placed felt pads on both sides of each top corner and reinstalled the door. The felt pads filled the gap and kept the door from chattering in the track. To prevent my closing, I place felt pads at the top and bottom of the jamb. Now to install the latch hook. Lift the latch. Place a piece of tape to mark the bottom of the latch. Place another piece of tape to transfer the mark. And transfer the tape to the jamb. This existing hole happened to be at the right height to hold the bottom of the latch hook. Install the latch hook. And test the latching. Drill a 3 32nd inch diameter hole towards the top of the latch hook and secure it with another screw. To limit how high the screen door can be lifted, I installed this screw. Test again, and by lifting the door too. Plastic shims are provided in the kit if more space is needed to engage the latch hook. The screen door did not include a bug seal, so I cut off the torn edges of the bug seal from the old door and installed it on the new door. I slightly pulled and stretched the bug seal so it would fit from the top to the bottom of the door. Optional steps. Cover the screws and slots with the provided stickers, and install screws or rivets to secure the top and bottom rails. I'll do those after using the door for a few weeks.